going on, guys? Me, my brother-in-law, and my best friend headed down to South Texas to deer hunt. We are going about 20 miles from the border of Mexico and Texas, so we're going to the deep south. We're gonna go, we're gonna be spending 5 days down there. We're gonna be hunting 2,200 acres, all low fence, all free range deer. It's the brush country. We're gonna be hunting senderos. Where we're hunting down here, they're on the MLD program, so we don't have to use any of our tags. We use their tags. So we can each shoot we're each gonna try to shoot a trophy buck, a cull buck, a doe, and then hopefully get a javelina. That'd be sweet to get a javelina. I've never shot one, but we're at the good old Bucky's right now. We're still about 4 hours away from where we're going, but we had to stop, get some diesel, get some food, get some drinks. We're about to get on the road again, head down there, maybe stop for some breakfast in a couple of hours. It's 6:30 right now.
Brought something for you. Pass it out. Oh, we're great.
I don't care. Me and Nathan both forgot our toothbrush, so he went ahead and got us some here at Bucky's. We're about an hour out. Nathan took the wheel over. I took a little nap. We're at this gas station. We're already seeing bucks.
Dead bucks.
Dead bucks.
That is a typical 8, I think, from what I can see.
I'd be happy with that this week, but we'll see what happens. Well, we've been on a dirt road for about 45 minutes. And he's been peeing for about 20 minutes. We'll get there one day. We've been waiting for this all year. This is something that me and the guys try to do every year, every other year. Last time we went was 2 years ago, and we shot a few does. Didn't really see any bucks. Saw a few little small bucks, but cold front's blowing in right now, so maybe that'll give us a little bit of luck. But it happens to be a full moon, and I hate hunting a full moon, but that's okay. I'm just happy to be here. But we're gonna go out, set our stands up, put some trail cameras up, see if we can't find some deer activity, and then have our first hunt tonight. So what we're looking for here, we got a sendero running this way and a sendero running that way, and you got to be super brushed in here. These deer are super smart in here, so I'm gonna set up in between these two big cactus bushes, and then we're gonna brush it in real good. Hope that we catch them coming down one of these senderos. Put corn in the road and see if we can catch one coming through. But, we're gonna get after it. We don't have much time for this evening, so. This is the main hole that I'm gonna be shooting out of. I can see right down this sendero, and then I can, in my side window, I got the drape down, but the net's still on, so I can kind of see what's going on over here. But, we're gonna set out some corn, go set Nathan's stand up, go back, get all of our stuff ready, shoot our bows for a minute, and then get out here and see if we can find some deer. Okay. So what we got set up here is another road, sendero, whatever you want to call it, going down both ways, and then there's a little pond over here, and there's a deer trail running right from that pond to this road. And there's a little thicket back here that we're going to set up in, and I mean, there's deer tracks everywhere. So first day we're going to set up. We got about 6, 7 cameras we're gonna set up too. So we're gonna find where they're at. We just gotta get something on the ground and eat good. Well, sight the old bow in. Not sighted in, I'm gonna make sure it's still on. Got 2 arrows. That should do it. We'll see. I'm gonna shoot the pig. Full moon. Full moon is full moon. Sucks. It's alright. It's first night. Nathan didn't see anything. We didn't see anything. We saw some really weird birds. Leave it in the comments if you know what kind of birds those are, because I sure didn't know what they were. But we're gonna hang out, sit around the fire. I think we're gonna cook some black buck back straps, and then go to bed because we got to get up early and get in the stand. Well, we changed our plans up a little bit. There's a chance of rain now, so I don't know. We don't know what to think. We're thinking they might get up and move, so we're gonna try and we're gonna go sit in the stand this morning. And if we don't see anything this morning, we probably will set up on a Sendero tonight and just glass and scout. But I'm gonna make me some coffee. We're gonna get ready, and we'll see y'all in the stand.
Brownies for breakfast. Good luck.
What's the plan? What's the plan this morning?
I'm gonna go to the blind and sit for a while and check my camera. Hopefully something's came in. If not, I'm gonna sit there and probably read a book.
What kind of book?
And enjoy doing nothing. Lone Survivor.
That's a long.
I plan on being a SEAL one day.
That's a long book. This morning, and when he was at the corn, Kyle looked to the right, and there was, he doesn't know if it was 8 or 10 or 12 or whatever, but it was huge, and I caught a glimpse of it, and its tines were, it was a big buck, big mature shooter. Those guys are going nuts. Maybe we'll get a shot at a coyote, who knows. But we're gonna sit it out, and hopefully some more stuff comes in. You ready? shiny for sure, definitely mature. So we'll be back here tonight. Hopefully either one of those bugs comes out, but we're gonna go check these cameras, see what's on them. We put a camera on another 4-way Sendero, and then a camera on a big scrape that we found yesterday. So we're gonna check them and head back to the house and cook up some breakfast. Hopefully Nathan got something on the ground, but we have no service out here, so there's no way to know until we get back. Ooh. Well, we got 2 different bucks on this camera. They're both at night though, and they weren't any bigger than the one that I saw this morning, I don't think so. I'm gonna keep it up, see what else wanders in here. Let's see what's on this bad boy. Kitty cat. And that is it. I'm gonna leave this up here though, because there's a big rub right there. Alright, let's go eat some breakfast. I burnt the bacon a little bit because Kyle was sitting there filming and not taking it off the grease. We are eating good. And we're still waiting on Nathan. We don't know what he's doing. We don't know if he shot something or if he just fell asleep in the stand or what. Well guys, this is gonna wrap up this video. Nathan's still in the stand. It's 10:30, so he said he might sit in all day, so I think that's what he's gonna do. But stay tuned. We're gonna be down here for 4 more days, and I think we're gonna get something done. So hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Eat good.